Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device already has Face ID or another biometric enrolled. This is required. Once done, open the Facebook app and tap your profile, then Settings and Privacy and Settings. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to protect. Otherwise, switch accounts first. From Settings, go straight to Security or Face Recognition to begin. You're doing this now so Facebook can link its recognition feature to the device-level biometric securely and quickly. Now enable Facebook's face recognition or use Face ID option. This tells the app to use your device biometric. When prompted, grant camera permission so Facebook can complete the initial scan. Follow the on-screen prompts to position your face and complete any slow nods or turns. Make sure to set a fallback security method, like your device passcode or alternate biometric, so you can log in if the scan fails. Doing this links the app's feature to your device securely and avoids lockouts. Finish by saving changes and testing. Sign out and sign back in to verify Face ID unlock works for Facebook. Make sure the app asks for your face instead of a password. If there are optional sensitivity or privacy toggles, adjust them to reduce false rejects. If Face ID doesn't appear, update the Facebook app, confirm camera and biometric permissions, or re-enroll your device Face ID and repeat the setup. This troubleshooting step covers the most common issues, so you won't be stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.